Are you planning to bring home a brand new car or a two-wheeler this Diwali? Hold on, because we have some big news that could save you a lot of money. And by the way, it's not just about small cars. Even big SUVs are now going to cost less. I'll explain that. Now, all this is happening because the Modi government has rolled out next-gen GST reforms. The first hint came from the ramparts of the Red Fort.
हम नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म लेकर के आ रहे हैं। ये दिवाली के अंदर आपके लिए तोहफा बन जाएंगे।
Then on 3rd of September, the GST Council approved these reforms unanimously.
पूर्ण मन से भरपूर सपोर्ट दिए हर राज्य के वित्त मंत्री। इसीलिए मैं जीएसटी काउंसिल को आभार कहना चाह रही हूँ।
Mark your calendar. They kick in from September 22nd on the very first day of Navratri. Let's now talk about the big change. Earlier, we had 4 GST slabs: 5%, 12%, 18% and 28%. Now, there will be just 2 slabs, 5% and 18%. Plus, there's going to be a 40% rate for luxury and sin goods. So how does this impact your dream car or bike? Let's break it down for you. Let's start with the lowest GST rate, 5%. No change here. All electric vehicles will remain at 5%. The government is continuing its push for EV adoption. Now coming to 18% GST rate. Now this is where the real savings kick in. Petrol, hybrid, CNG, LPG, all these kinds of cars earlier taxed at 29%, 28% GST plus 1% cess, now have been brought down to 18%. So some savings there. Diesel cars under 4 meters, earlier taxed at 31%, say 28% GST plus 3% cess, now also down to 18%. Now this is a massive drop and a direct saving for your entry-level hatchbacks, compact sedans and even SUVs. Now coming to 40%. Now this 40% GST rate is for luxury and bigger cars. You must be thinking, wait, 40% sounds higher. Not really. It just looks bigger, but even this is going to save you a lot of money. For larger cars, over 4 meters, engine above 1500cc, the earlier rate used to be 50%. Yes, 28% GST plus 22% cess. It used to be 50% earlier for big cars. And actually, now it has been reduced to 40% flat. No cess there. So premium SUVs and big sedans also get cheaper. A true Diwali dhamaka across the board. Let's now come to two-wheelers. Now, here's the twist. Bikes up to 350cc, earlier the GST rate was 28%. Now, it's a straight 18%, which means a saving of almost 7.8% according to experts. Now, if you come to above 350cc as engine capacity, like your premium bikes or even super bikes, here the percentage, here the tax rate is going to be higher. Earlier, the tax rate was 31% in this category, 28% tax plus 3% cess, and now it has been increased to 40%. So if you are eyeing a super bike, that is going to pinch your pockets. That is the only kind of two-wheeler that's going to cost you more. So let's tell you about the overall impact on prices now. As per CRISIL, prices of entry-level hatchbacks like WagonR may actually drop by 8.5%. Premium hatchbacks and small sedans like Swift, Dzire, plus compact SUVs like Punch and all will get cheaper by about 8.5% as well. Mid-sized SUVs and MPVs like Brezza, Creta, Ertiga will see their prices actually going down by about 3.5%. Now coming to premium SUVs like XUV 700, Innova, etc., they will also get cheaper with this new tax rate by almost 6.7%. So whichever segment you're looking at, it's going to be a carnival with savings almost guaranteed.